Hello guys, good morning from Portugal, bom dia. Another day of fight, mais dia de luta. Okay, today I have 20 euros session. 100x, 50x, 20x and Estrelas da Sorte. Vamos começar, let's start. Start with this. Estrelas da Sorte. Lucky stars in English, guys. Lucky stars. Okay, I have to complete the numbers. The prices are here, and here we're looking for moon to win 30, and it's clover. 22, 20. 22. I think there's no 20, and maybe there is, but I don't see. 11, 35. 11, 35. 54. 51. 54. 51, 37, 32. In Portuguese, números. 42. No 37, or I don't see. No 37. 25 ohm. 25. 43. 19. 43. 19, there's no 19, or I don't see. 19. No? 42, 12. Two different numbers, letters, guys. Might be a loser. 42, 12. Jessica. 42, 12. 12. Nothing. 47, 27. 27. I think I saw 47 somewhere, no? No, 47. This ticket is 8:36. No, 36 also. Veinticinco, 34. No, 36. 8, 40. No 20 ohm, no 40 ohm. So this is not a winner, of course. Maybe I missed numbers, but it's not a winner, okay? Let's go to 20 veces. Matching number, obviously. 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x. We're looking for 27, this size in Portuguese números. 32, 12, 22, 18, 13, 28, 29, 21, 35. This is a no. Oh Lord, 2 in a row are losers. Let's go to 50x. Okay. This is a 5 euro ticket, guys. The size is like 3 euro ticket. We're looking for 32, 34, 24, 44, 13, 14, 21, 11, 23, 35, 34, 24, 42, 38, 19, 40, 29, no 20s, 33, 26, 22, 27. I bought all the losers in the world, guys. Our last hope, the 100x, a 10 euro ticket. We're looking for 24, this is set, 29, 43, 11, 22, 13, 30, 38, 35, no 30s, 39. Ay, I found a match. 43. It's a winner, guys. 27. At least I have one win. 43. 37. 35. 42. 23. I thought I have 23. 33. 28. 19. I thought I have 19. 31. Give me one more match. At least give me my money back. 49. Okay. 26. 44. 45. I have one match. 43. Please. No coffee money. No coffee money. Of course, there's a 0. No coffee money, please. Hi, 20. So I got back my money, guys. It's better than nothing. Okay, so I got back how much I spent. So this ticket saved my session. 43. 20. Okay, so I got all my money in the last hope. Last chance, last hope. I got 20 euro. Am I right? 20, okay, 43. Okay, so not bad, guys. Getting back your money is not bad. It's better than losing everything. So I play for free. Okay, so not bad, guys. Oh, the fucking loser, guys. I bought all the fucking losers. Sorry for the word, guys. Can I win like at least 5 euro more than not always this? Okay, so this is better than 10 euro, yeah? Okay, double. I spent 20, so I got 20, so I don't win, of course. Gaste 20, gane 20, okay? Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.